This video is a full step-by-step guide on how to clean and rewax your Filson gear. The first part covers tin cloth, how to clean it and apply Filson's oil finish wax. The second part focuses on Rugged Twill, which doesn't need waxing but still requires proper care. Some clips from earlier videos, but added new context and structure so it works at full instruction from start to finish. Let's start by looking at the two fabrics you will find on most of Filson gear, before we jump into cleaning and rewaxing. Tin cloth, stiff, waxed, made for tough weather and hard to use. Rugged Twill, smooth, structured, ideal for bags and leather wear. Filson tin cloth is built for hard use, but it only performs at its best with the right care. Always brush off dirt, wipe it down with cold water, and rewax it when needed. Don't use soap, even matte detergent can strip the wax right out. Never toss it in the washing machine, and absolutely avoid dry cleaning. Always avoid hot water on waxed fabric, as it can soften or strip the wax and ruin the finish. Now that the fabric is clean and dry, it's ready for a fresh coat of wax. Let's move on to the rewaxing process. Step 1. Brush off all dirt and debris from the garment. Step 2. Spread the wax evenly over the surface of the fabric. Apply small wax dots across the fabric. Then rub them in with circular motions until the surface is evenly coated. I've seen some jackets end up with black spots after waxing, and one common reason is using too much wax. Feel the surface with your hand. You are looking for areas that still feel sticky or too dry. Step 3. You can melt the wax into the fabric with a hair dryer. You see the wax brighten when it melts, then fade as it sinks into the fabric. That's how you know it's working. Make sure you don't hold heat in one spot too long, or you might overheat the fabric or darken it unevenly. Just wipe off the extra melted wax with a paper towel. Pay close attention to the seams or any worn out areas. Rugged Twill is durable fabric designed for bags and trail gear, but it still needs the right care to keep it in good shape. You can brush off surface dirt and wipe it down with a damp cloth. If you are dealing with stubborn dirt, spot cleaning with a mild soap and water solution is okay. Just don't overdo it. Never toss in the washer or take to the dry cleaners. Both can damage the wax finish and the leather trim. The answer is no, not really needed. As long as it's clean, you are good. Waxing after just helps patina show up faster. I took the Rugged Twill field bag and the Rugged Twill rucksack as examples. Let's take a look back at how I waxed them previously. You can see I'm applying small amounts of wax to areas that get most contact, places that are often touched or rubbed. Be sure to apply the wax evenly. Using too much can darken the canvas. This step is key to a clean finish. Take your time here. You are not just coating the surface, you are working the wax into the weave, so it holds up better in real use. Just grab a sponge and clean up any extra wax around the seams. Apply heat with a hair dryer to mat the wax and work into the fabric. Don't wax the inside, it doesn't help, and it can just make the bag feel stiff or greasy. If you spot any seams that didn't get enough heat or wax, just go back and hit them with a little more.